Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem, and in this session, we will try to extract the idea of exact differential equation. So, till date, you guys have studied three filters. First one is variable separable method. Then you guys have studied linear differential equation. Then you guys have studied homogeneous differential equation. Now you have to study exact differential equation. So suppose if no filter is applied over the question, then you have to apply exact differential equation. So this is the first idea, and you will get sense of either u by v, differentiation of u by v, or you will get sense of differentiation of uv. Okay, what I'm saying right now may not make sense to you, but we will, when we will solve some questions, no, you will connect with this idea. So for example, suppose we have this question. So look at this. So I feel that we guys cannot apply variable separable method. Why? Because we cannot segregate all x together, all y together, because they are intact. They should be in product, then only you can do it. Now variable separable method is not applicable. Dy by dx equals to linear. Dy by dx equals to linear by linear, where coefficient of y from numerator and coefficient of x from denominator sum up to 0. You cannot apply that over here. Then we have polar form. If we will get x dx plus minus y dy, we will apply that idea. We cannot do that over here as well. Then we have uh, linear differential equation. Dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. You cannot do that over here. Then we guys have dy by dx. We have first filter dy by dx plus p of x y equals to q of x y power n. You cannot do that. Homogeneous equation, the degree is 1, degree is 1, degree is 3. So you cannot apply homogeneous differential idea. And then we have first filter of homogeneous differential equation, where we have dy by dx equals to linear by linear. You cannot convert this question into that part either. So what we will do, we have to rely on exact differential equation. So look at this, how we will extract this answer. So first I feel that I should expand this one. So can I write x dx plus, sorry, y dx, then we have x dy, then we have x square y dy. Now look at this, be very careful, equals to 0. Don't look at this part. So according to you, who is this person? This is differentiation of xy. Correct or wrong? We get uv idea. Okay, first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Then we have x square y dy equals to 0. Now, so if you'll observe, if you are observing d of xy, you should have all the elements in terms of xy. Here you are handling dy, means you should have all the elements in terms of y. Okay, so what I should do, like, can I divide both the elements? Like, I am relying on this part, because if we will divide by x square, 100% we will get rid of this x square, we will have y. But x square cannot help the first component, because it is xy, so you want xy together. So can I divide both of them by x square y square? And then we will apply integration rule. So look at this. So can I write differentiation of xy by xy ka square plus x square gone, then we have dy by y. Okay, now look at this. Suppose it is x. Suppose it is x. So differentiation of x, this thing will become what? X square. So can I write x to the power minus 1 and then do the integration? It will become what? X power minus 2. So x power minus 2 plus 1 will become x ka power minus 1 by minus 1, and then here we will have log y, and then integration constant c. Okay, you can write down this thing, the first thing as means I will send this thing that side. Okay, so we will have 1 by xy is equal to log y plus c. So this is how we will do the solution. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay, so see you guys in next session of MathFlix.